As I get older, we all pass on ultimately, and I've lost both my parents, a lot of kaumātua, also friends, and so the big relationship that I'm working on at the moment is with Papatūānuku, Ranginui, and their children in the taiao. So if I think of Papatūānuku in particular as a living being, she's having a continuous massive influence on my life. Wellbeing, connection to place, connection to natural cycles. Yeah, all of those things are really important and impactful for me. I think the reason I'm particularly interested in connection to Papatūānuku and Ranginui, although as a wahine I feel very connected to Papatūānuku, is that's a constant for us in relationship as tangata whenua with all the change that happens. We were just talking about the kingitanga mati atu he te kura, ara mai he te kura. One fern frond withers or passes, another one rises, but our whenua is always here, her lands, her waterways. So it's not a particular moment, but just more a growing sense of the importance of that fundamental relationship. I'm from the earth, I'll return to the earth, and I am he tangata whenua au.